Hi. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to unbox GAMDIAS Atlas HD 275C 27-inch curved screen monitor. GAMDIAS is a company that makes a range of high-quality innovative gaming products, and one of these are gaming monitors. They also offer high-quality gaming accessories that are also cutting-edge and quite affordable. Later on this video, we will give you the product specifications of this GAMDIAS Atlas HD 275C 27-inch curved monitor. For now, let's take a look at the unboxing process. Leave the panel facing down on a styrofoam until assembly is completed. Remove the plastic back covers. Position the stand stem into the back of the monitor and slide it upwards. Proceed to secure the stem using two of the shorter screws provided. Make sure to put the plastic back covers correctly with the shorter edge facing the top. Snap the plastic back covers into place. The cover should be flush with the monitor when properly assembled. Incorrect assembly might mean the cover might come loose. Gently turn the base of the stem clockwise until it locked properly. Now use the larger screw and screw it gently. There you have it, you just have seen the unboxing process and product specifications of GAMDIAS Atlas HD 275C 27-inch curved screen monitor. Atlas HD 275C is one of the cheapest curved screen monitors in the market. GAMDIAS emphasizes on the fundamentals, complemented with creativity and service. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated on our next video.